today we are going to play this game. I'm going to buy a bonus for 50 rand. Let's see how much it's going to give us. It's quite a while I was not playing this game, guys. It's been a while I was not playing a Siren spell. So let's see today what is going to happen in Siren spell. Are we going to get everything? Are we going to go almost a profit? It's been a while, guys. I have many days. Okay. Okay, we couldn't make any profit there. I will buy another one. Let's see this one, the second one. All we know is that we are in to the second level. Okay, I never thought this will come, guys. At least we are on level 3 now. I didn't expect that to happen. Seven to go. not sure if it's his last spin. Okay, it was a profit. It was a profit. We nearly get in. We nearly go to the last stage. Guys, this might be good. Let me see how much am I going to get here, guys. 600 and what? 636 with one spin, guys. So nice. I'm so happy, guys. I'm over the moon. Is it over the moon or what? Bonus. Seems like it wants to throw the bonus here, guys. And then I just increased to 2 rand. Again. Yes, finally we got the bonus. Let's see what this bonus is. I lost like 400 rand in player bet. I was playing on player bet today. I didn't make any money there. It was my first time actually playing on player bet. That was a nice one, guys. That was a very nice. Oh, look, it's very far. Okay, this is a nice one, guys. This is a very nice. This is very nice. This is very nice. 72. It's quite a while I was not playing this game, as I've said in the beginning. Okay, we made 120. I don't know what's opening there. Okay. Look at this again. I have to use a very serious timing, guys. Alright guys, I think I must call it a day, and then thank you guys for watching. I will catch you up in the next video.